Morning, everyone. It's Neil here from EweMove, Birkdale, Ainsdale. I hope you are safe and well, and your family and friends are all safe and well as well. I just thought I'd do a quick video discussion on virtual valuations and viewings. Having a good success of that of late. We've always done video work when regards to promoting properties, but of late, there's been a real increase in the level of certain video valuations and virtual walkarounds or viewings as you'd expect in compliance with the government guidelines. What I would say is, whilst a lot of people are sitting at home, the buyer side of the market is still very active. And just within the local area alone, as an example, I could say to you that an average property viewing would see 100, 150 clicks per week, and it's gone sky high up to 1,500 average per property per week on the likes of the major search engines. So it just goes to show that people, whilst in lockdown, working from home, or sadly furloughed, etc., people are more active online. So the property market from home is very active. Strangely as well, though in a positive light, people that have viewed properties through video work, there have been cases of people putting in offers and sales being agreed through that means as well within our network, which is fantastic to see. In this video, I just thought I'd give you a quick lowdown in terms of what a video evaluation and viewing would look like. So in terms of, let's go back to the start. In terms of the video evaluation itself, we'd arrange a day where I could give you a call, and we'd have a video set up, be it through WhatsApp or FaceTime or any other preferential platforms that you prefer, and you would quite simply just walk me through your property, starting in the front, going through the gardens or around the gardens and through the front door, and just walk me through as if I was there in person. And I can ask as many questions as I like, and you can tell me about all the unique selling points of the property. Once we'd agreed the valuation and you were happy to proceed, we would then just discuss the marketing strategy to promote your property. So as basic, that would mean we'd be putting the property on all the major search engines, but beyond that, what social media packages, listing packages and so forth you'd like to adopt, plus the video support to promote the property, be it, excuse me, from a cryptic perspective or a full walkthrough video available for people. The other thing to consider is as well, if the property is vacant, in compliance again with government guidelines, I can go and see the property, providing no one's been near the property within a period of say 72 hours and no one's with me at the time. I could do some video and marketing work at the property, such as photography, floor plans, product description, doing some general light video work to promote the property. But in that instance, if you are still living in the property, then we would just do this, as I'm saying, through the video. So beyond the marketing strategy, we then do the floor plans. Now, the majority of floor plans for properties are available historically online. So it's a matter of digging them out of the archives and having a look at those and sharing them with you. And we can discuss if there's been any changes to the property through development work. So that, again, is a critical perspective through the video evaluation. Why do I do it? Because we want to see firstly the property, but also the investment and the development work that's gone into the property, the walls smashed through, the open planness, the investments in new roofs and extension work and so forth, so we can get a full appreciation of that. From the floor plans, I would say also that we as a matter of course, we'd do it in a 2D and a 3D. EweMove do 3Ds as a matter of course, but 3D at a time like this is of absolute paramount. So people can, when they're looking at the properties, can see it in a 3D perspective. They can appreciate the size of the room in relation to furniture that we could potentially put in it. But more importantly from the plot size as well, so people can see the size of the property in relation to the gardens or surrounding areas and the driveways, to name a few. In terms of the photography, again, if the property is vacant, then I can do the photography, no problem at all, within a time frame and within accordance with social distancing and guidelines. But if not, then I would be asking yourself to do some photography. I would give you a specification, the do's, the don'ts. And also, when you provide me the photography, we can agree which photographs you'd like, and then I would edit those quite simply, and then we'd agree which ones to feature on the property listing. Again, doesn't have to be absolute perfection, because once the lockdown is eased and social distancing measures are starting to be more relaxed, then we can work out other ways to do further photography, and including the marketing description as well over a matter of time. Just keep updating it as and when. From there, we agree the general description based on the information you provided me through the valuation, and also from any questions that I've seeked out from you as well. So we agree a nice little marketing description for the property and the surrounding area. And from there, it's quite really, we just go straight to live. We go live. We put it on all the major search engines. We do some potential video work just to give preempters in terms of the video introductions for the property. Some of the photographs that we actually do for the property as well can also be edited to make it look movie-like as well. So just give people lots of options to view the property from the safety of their own homes and the comfort of their own couches. So from there, in terms of the viewings themselves, again, if the property is vacant, I would do a virtual walk around or walk through the property where the buyer would be sitting at home on the comfort of their couch, and I would be walking through the property through with the video, and they can ask as many questions as they like about the property or the surrounding area. Or we would do some virtual walkthrough whereby I would ask you if you could potentially walk through the property as if you were just showing us in person, and we could have a three-way conversation set up between myself, the prospect buyer, and yourself. And then once the viewing's been finalised, we could just ask yourself to leave the call, and then I can have a discussion face-to-face with the buyer and answer any outstanding questions, or talk to them about any potential offers or negotiations that may be required at that moment in time. And that's really it. So again, through the power of the marketing strategy, we agree, the social media, the targeting, the video work, there is loads of ways to keep momentum at a time like this and to keep interest going. I'm sure it'll be a matter of time before some of the guidelines are relaxed a little bit, but in the meantime, there are lots of ways we can help keep moving your property sale forwards. If you've got any questions at all, please don't hesitate in getting in contact with me at neil.davies@ewemove.com, or through the Facebook or Twitter pages for EweMove, Birkdale and Ainsdale. And my mobile number 07973 810 738. And I hope to speak to you soon. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.